Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another episode of You Can't Make This Shit Up. Okay, before we cover some of the gifts that have been showing up here, we're going to open up with a public service announcement. If you ever find yourself in a position where you're going to eat a banana in a room full of men, there's only one way to do that. Never do you take that banana straight on. Okay? Hot dog, I eat that motherfucker like corn on the cob. Okay? Let's talk about some of the gifts. Okay, you guys have already seen this, and I'm gonna, full disclosure, this is open. My wife's been eating these candy dicks. She says they have no flavor. Okay? So, super fun penis candy. It was funny to receive it, but apparently they weren't all that fun to eat because, as per my wife, they have zero flavor. Other gifts have shown up. This one was, I leveled a false accusation on some folks over this one, right? Look at this tiny little chocolate dick. I thought it was the Track Day Junkies Unleashed that sent this, when it turns out it was my good friend, Mr. Chris Ulrich, who all of a sudden has discovered some sense of humor that he's never had in his entire life. If you know Chris, like I do, you know, he's not even fucking close to funny, not even on his best day. You'll be paid back, my friend, for sending that chocolate dick my way. Yesterday, we had the Track Day Junkies Unleashed penis coloring book show up. This showed up at my house. My address is on this label. I guess I really don't care. Okay. You can find it on the internet. Who gives a shit, right? You look at this, right? It says it came from Anthony G. Revzilla at Revzilla in Philadelphia, PA. I highly doubt that's the truth. It's addressed to me, wannabe Revzilla. Let's talk about that for just a minute. I don't want to be Revzilla. I want to be just who we are. That dude Anthony from Revzilla, who's not even there anymore, that motherfucker couldn't even ride a bike. Okay? I actually ride a bike, and I can corner pretty damn low. Happy being right where I am. I may not consume a chocolate dick, but you know what I will do? I'll color one. God, it's been a long time since I've been in a coloring book. This is amazing. Kind of even in the lines. Maybe I should use some other colors. Why am I coloring the dick blue? I have no idea. That's just the crayon that I picked up. We now have international gifts showing up. Okay, this is all the way from Montreal. Amazing. This one has a personalized note in it, which I will read. I haven't taken the tinfoil off. I don't even know what to say about that, but there it is. Dear Brian, I've noticed that you've been getting a lot of dick-related mail. So I decided to send over one as well. But it's not due to any hate, but because I love you. I'm not quite sure how I feel about that. I've ordered a few things from STG in the past, and they've always been great, shipped in a timely manner. Keep up the informative, cool videos. Yours truly, Oliver from www.eatadick.ca. I do appreciate the gift. Why couldn't it have been something a little nicer? You know what I mean? I appreciate all these gifts. Let me give you some examples, right? One of the admins over at Track Day Junkies Unleashed did send these nice stickers. I may put those on something. A little personalized note, guaranteed to take 2 seconds off your lap times. That's assuming I get to actually ride a bike this year. Here's another example of a great gift. I love Trans Ams. I have a cool Trans Am, this little model Trans Am. I'm going to put this on my shelf in my office and think happy thoughts every time I see it. All this dick-related stuff, I don't know. These people over at this place, they suffer from a condition we will refer to as phallic target fixation. Anything these people see dick related, they hit it head on.